I'm at it again. I'm cooking some sweet Italian sausage. I just squeezed it out of the skin there and browning it. Well, I squeezed it out of the skin and made little balls, little pieces. And then I have bow tie pasta here, which I have right there. And I had this leftover onion in here, a piece of tomato, and some spaghetti sauce. So I'm just chopping up some onion, and I don't really like chewing onion in food, so I'm trying to cut this up really small pieces. But I'm sure when it's mixed with the pasta, I'm not gonna really taste it. So I'm gonna just do that. I plan on making some quinoa today too, and making some quinoa. Then I'm gonna be, once it's cool, put some serving sizes in these containers just so they'll be already ready for whenever I want them, because I like to use quinoa with salad or with hot food, either way. So a little bit of onion in there, and this is basically because I have it and I don't want to waste it. It's not really how I would fix this normally. The Italian sausage, I had 3 links left over and they were hanging out in the fridge for a while, so I thought I better take the time to go ahead and cook them up before they go bad. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to also chop up this onion here. I mean, this little piece of tomato. It's a Roma tomato, so it's not really going to do anything for the meal other than the fact that the tomato's not going to get wasted. If I can get it out of here. Yeah, other than the fact that the tomato's not going to get wasted. So I'm going to cut this up. So I just chopped this up. And guys, I am so hungry. I can't even believe I waited so long just to eat. But it's Saturday, and I guess the best thing to do is cook up the food you have before it goes bad. Yes, it's an extremely windy day today. It's like getting on my nerve because I just washed the car and I don't have like a garage. I have a parking spot in like an undercover parking port, and the way the wind blows here, it just keeps getting the car like all dusty looking, dirty. So it's annoying, but I did get a chance to clean the windows because I bought some Windex and I had some newspaper hanging out in the car to take the time to clean the windows, because I go through a drive-through car wash. It's not like one of those that they do the whole work, although I plan on going to one of those in a minute. I want the car to be really clean and vacuumed out. Found a mechanic, a personal mechanic for any of my car needs in the future. I love when I find people that I know that know somebody that is a mechanic that is willing to work on your car and not charge you like overpriced. Basically, you buy the parts or they'll just charge you what they pay for the parts and just charge you labor. So I'm excited because I do have a used car, and I am a woman, of course, and shopping, I like to shop with prices on the place, on the items, so that I can decide if I want it, and I can do my research, and this way I don't have to, because I have a reliable mechanic. So I just got the tomato sauce out, and the onions already caramelized in here. Tomatoes, they're just doing whatever. Like I said, they're just in there because I don't want them to go to waste. The pasta, I had it on low. I don't know why, but I turned that back up, turned this up so this can brown, so that it won't, it'll be little, I don't know. I'm going to have the Patti LaBelle pie that I took out of the freezer, thawing out right now for some dessert. This is the pasta and pie that I will be having for brunch, because I haven't had breakfast, haven't had lunch. And that's what I'm going to be eating on today. Probably going to have this exact same thing for dinner. Y'all, I've been going a little crazy on the gelato. So, a store next to the church has it where it's reasonably priced. So, voila, I keep buying it. So anyways, this is the sauce, and I don't care that a pasta is not that saucy. I like it when it's the majority of the starch part and not the meaty part. So I'm going to get the cheese out of the fridge, and per usual, once this is plated, I will be back to show you. Okay, so I have two different cheeses. I have the Fiesta blend and then the mild cheddar. I think I'm going to use the mild cheddar. I don't think I've ever used just a solid one cheese on anything. I've always had a combination of cheeses. So I think I want to save that in case I want to mix that with something. But notice here, these are the two stores that I shop at. Walmart, Great Value Brand, and Winco Foods. I want to make some enchiladas. That's why else I got the regular cheese or macaroni cheese. So I want to make some enchiladas too. Turn this down. I know this is splattering all over the place like crazy. What is up with that? Whew, I feel like so weak. I'm so hungry. I hate when I get to that point. But I'm a lazy cook, lazy eater. This should have been done before I got to the point where I was hungry. My oldest sister is so cute. She gave me this clear spoon because you know I like acrylic stuff. So I'm going to use it because I think it's cute. First I was just going to leave it in the spoon thing just for decorations. But I thought I'll use it in these little cooking for one person video. I'm gonna get me a scoop of this. While it's hot, put it on top of the cheese to melt that. And I'm actually going to use this spoon right here to get some pasta out and eat something before I pass out up in here. Then I'll worry about, what do you call it? Straining it, draining it, whatever. I hope they're done. Let me get one out because I need something. I need something. I know, probably need more sauce, but I'm not going to put any more in that pot. This is it. So, yeah. Time to eat. Now, I generally eat like a grazer. So, since I had the pasta, it's a little bit later. It's a lot later. And I was starting to feel hungry. So, I decided to make a salad. Anyways, I knew I had to make this salad because the salad items in the fridge were going to be going bad because I had them for a minute. So the salad here consists of the spring mix, and it comes in a container like that. It contains some apples that I had in the fridge that are now soft and yucky, and whatever mushrooms I can salvage, they're gone bad as well. I couldn't see them in the fridge, so I forgot they were there. And then I use this salad dressing. And if you look closely, I have some grated cheese in there. And that's all. And it's so, so delicious. And I think the combination with the slithers of the red apple and this zesty lime just created such a awesome flavor for the salad. I'm sitting on the couch with the salad, so the lighting is different. But I forgot to let you know also that whenever I make a salad, I cut everything down to bite sizes so that I can use a spoon to eat it with. Spoonful of goodness and having it all in my mouth without feeling like I'm forcing it in there. And I just want to say, if you're first time visiting my channel, thank you for visiting. Please subscribe, click the notification bell, and I will see you guys on my next video.